welcome to this beginner guided meditation. Find a position that feels comfortable. You may sit with your feet resting on the floor or lie down and let your body feel supported. Take a moment to slow down. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the rhythm of your breathing. Place both hands gently on your belly. Let your shoulders soften. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel your belly gently expand. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth. Let your body soften with the exhale. Take a second breath in through your nose. Feel your belly rise beneath your hands. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth. Let your shoulders soften a little more. Take one more gentle breath in. Feel your belly and chest gently rise. Then slowly release the breath through your mouth. Let yourself settle into this moment. Now let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Breathe gently through your nose and out through your nose. There is no need to count the breath. There is no need to control it. Simply notice each breath as it moves. Keep your focus beneath your hands. Feel the gentle rise. Feel the gentle fall. Stay connected to this simple movement. Breathing in and breathing out. There is nothing to force. There is nothing you need to achieve. Simply stay with one breath at a time. Your attention may move away. When you notice it, gently return to your breath. There is no need to follow the thought. Return to the movement beneath your hands. Each time you return, you strengthen your awareness. And now, soften your forehead. Relax the space around your eyes. Let your jaw loosen. Let your neck and shoulders soften. Let your arms and hands become heavy. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Stay here for a few quiet moments. Follow the next breath from beginning to end. Notice the inhale. Notice the exhale. Let each breath bring you back to this moment. Take one final deep breath in through your nose. Feel your belly and chest gently rise. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth. Let your whole body soften. Begin to notice the sounds around you. Become aware of the room you are in. Gently move your fingers and toes. Bring your hands together. Slowly rub your palms. Feel the warmth building between your hands. And place your warm hands gently over your closed eyes. Take a moment to feel grateful for this breath. Feel grateful for your body. Feel grateful for these quiet moments. When you are ready, slowly lower your hands and gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of calm with you as you move into the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself and for joining me here at SOHA. Namaste.